Alright, so hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Minecraft. This is a video that I kind of want to do for a long time, and it's how to download texture packs or shaders for Minecraft Xbox One Bedrock. It's a really easy system, and you have to use an app that only costs £1. However, you can get it for a free trial on Xbox. I will show you that later. But what I'm going to show you right now is when you're creating a new world, notice this area right here, resource packs. This is the area that we are going to add our packs when we download them. So make sure you do keep in mind of this little area. I will go into the kind of specifics with this area in the later part of the video, because sometimes if you have one pack on top of the other, it makes it so they don't work. But I do have some examples right here of some shader packs. You can see creeper shaders and 𝗙𝗲 shaders. Some really good versions right there. And obviously I do have some texture packs here and there as well. So what we're going to do is we are going to first of all go on to Microsoft Edge, but here's the app right here, My Files Explorer. It does cost £1. Maybe it might be made in like free, maybe. I don't know if it's free in the future, but it is £1 currently. And I'd say it's a pretty good investment if you are wanting to do videos and stuff on mods. And yeah, obviously if you invite your friends to a game with mods in it, they don't have to pay £1, they just play with a mod on. But yeah, we want to go into Microsoft Edge and type in 𝗦𝘂𝗶𝗍𝗏 right here. I put a Y at the start of it, which I didn't mean to. We're going to type in 𝗦𝘂𝗶𝗏 into Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is normally downloaded for you if you just have Xbox. It's normally just automatically downloaded, so it should be on your Xbox. If it isn't, download Microsoft Edge and click on the first link here when it loads up on Bing. 𝗦𝘂𝗶𝗏. It should bring you to this page, and because we are doing it on texture packs, we're going to go to the texture packs section right here, and we're going to click on that, and it's going to bring us to another page, and it'll say multiple different selections. Now, depending on what you want to do, you can click the 16x16, 32x32, 64x64, or shader texture packs. So basically what the 16, 32, and 64 is different resolutions of the blocks. So 64x64 is 64 pixels by 64 pixels, a way better, higher resolution. But I'm just going to do shader texture packs just for now, because just as an example. And I'm just going to use this parallax shaders one for an example, because this one actually comes with a texture pack as well. So you can see some screenshots. This is what I love about this website, is they give you some screenshots and a little bit of description of what the pack actually does, and you can see a little bit of the texture pack there. So here, there's two different files here. Both of these are resource pack files. Remember that area that we're on about? So we have to download both of these. Obviously, you can only download one if you want to. If you want to just have the shader pack, you can just have the shader pack. If you want the texture pack where you change all the block colors and all that, you can just have that. But we're going to click on one of them. Hopefully it will say .mc add-on when you click on them to download, because that's what it should do. Or MC pack, if it says either of them, very good. So you can see it brings up a little area right here. Depending on what download it is, it might bring up a different thing, but it's very self-explanatory what you need to click. But .mc pack, there it is right there. We'll click the .mc pack one, not the zip file, because the zip one doesn't work properly most of the time. We're going to click the download button right here. Should bring up a little bit of a you know, one of them ad fly things or whatever, like them annoying little ads that pop up. Just close that tab, and when you return to the other tab, just want to click save as when it pops up at the bottom. Just save as, and you can see it says MC pack at the bottom. We're going to wait until it loads, and then we're going to go to this device. As you can see, I'm hovering on right now. Click on this device and go to pictures. If you don't have a pictures file, you should, but we will be able to change that. We'll be able to add that. But there we go. We're just going to save it in the pictures file right there. And now we can go on to the My Files Explorer app. And obviously, before we do that though, I'm going to download the other pack that was the shader pack right there. I'm going to download the other one. It's exactly the same. I'm just going to show you this just for, you know, clarification, I guess, of what you need to do for this one, I guess. But here it is, parallax textures.mc pack. Once again, the MC pack, use that one, honestly, because we can then change it into a zip file, and it makes it way better. And that method always works for me. You'll once again get another ad, and close that down, save as, and it's just a very easy system. Now you can just download a load of these texture packs and just have a wide selection to choose from whenever you get into Minecraft. So here we go, put in the pictures. Now why we're using pictures, the folder for pictures, is because that's one of the files, folders that we can directly access from our My File Explorer app. So one of the only folders that we can access. So we're going to load up the My Files Explorer app. We now have them two things downloaded. We're going to go to user mgr0, that folder there. We're going to go to our pictures folder, which I was just talking about there, and you should find your two downloads here. So we can see we have parallax shaders and parallax textures.mc pack on the end. So what we're going to do is we have these on our normal storage, or download storage. We are now going to rename these packs. My screen does go a little bit blurry here and a little bit dark, just glitching out a little bit, but hopefully you can see it. I take that MC pack off and I put zip instead, and you can see I just renamed the file. Now I'm going to click on it again and then click extract. That extracts all of the files and makes this an actual folder instead. So now after extracted, this is a clear way to tell if it's worked. We're going to go and see the folder that we just created, which is right there, parallax shaders. And if you find this pack icon PNG, if you ever see a pack icon, that is almost 100% going to work. This pack is almost 100% a Xbox pack, meaning that's going to work for Xbox. If it doesn't have that icon, it likely won't work whatsoever. Now we're going to rename this other one right here. It's a little bit clearer this time. Actually, maybe not. .zip there, changed it. It's just because I recorded on a different device, and we're going to extract this one. Now, obviously, this one has all the textures in, so it will take a while to download all them. But after it does, it will say parallel textures and parallel shaders, the two different folders we just created. These are both zip folders, and it'll have all the files that you need. So now we can either copy these folders individually to the correct location, or we can click this button up here and we can select both of them and then copy folder. Now, by the way, how you copy folder is you click the 3-line button or the start button right underneath the power button on your controller. When you go to isolated storage, then click on packages, like how you just seen right there, and then go to Minecraft UWP console. That is a file that we're going to know how to find, local state, games, com.mojang, and then we are going to paste both of these two folders that we just copied into resource packs, because these are both resource packs. After we do this, we are done. We are totally done. Obviously, one more thing that you do have to kind of look out for as well is if you do have a behavior pack file and a resource pack file. Obviously, mainly a resource pack file because that's what texture packs are. If you're mainly just wanting to use texture packs, then you need to make sure you have that resource pack file like what I had. If you don't, then you can easily create it by pressing the 3-line button once again, and instead of going to copy folder, you want to go to new folder, and you just want to type in resource _pack, just like how you see in this video. And same with behavior packs. If you want to do the same thing, you can do Minecraft worlds as well if you want. And you can see it's copying every single item as well right here. And this is genuinely how fast it will take to download mods. This is there is some cutting where obviously things were taking a really long time to download all the different textures and stuff. But apart from that, actual explanation for this video, this is all it is. It's really, really simple to download texture packs, and yeah, it's almost 10 minutes to download,
a full texture pack, and mods are even faster as well. I think mods are about probably 5, maybe 6 minutes at the maximum, at the minimum actually, probably, because some of them are really large mods. But yeah, I'm just gonna skip this right now. So once them 2 folders have appeared in your resource pack file, or whatever texture pack zip folder or whatever you have, if it's a texture pack, if it's a shader pack, whatever, after you've done all that and you've put it all into that one destination, you can then load up Minecraft. If you already had Minecraft loaded beforehand, make sure you close down Minecraft before and then load it up, because it won't actually update normally. It'll have to update after you load it up again. But here we go, we're gonna go on creative right here, and we just put on the pack. Now I believe all you need is simply just them 2 resource packs that I just put on there, and that is it. For mods, there's an extra little step which I will go over specifically in that video for mods. But yeah, all you literally need is to put them little 2 resource packs on, like how I showed you in the start of the video. And if anything does happen with maybe the shader pack not really working or something, what you'll need to do is you'll need to change the order. So when you're putting them resource packs on, put the shader pack on top of the texture pack, and if that doesn't work, then do the flip opposite, and see if it makes the game any better. But yeah, you can see I have my texture pack on. You can see here's my that's the global resources. That's not actually what we need. Down to the bottom, resource packs. So you can see we have my shader one on top of my textures. If I wanted to change the order, I would have to leave the game and then click on the shader one and then drag downwards to put it underneath the texture pack one. But most of the time, if the shader pack is on top of a texture, so yeah, if it's on top of the texture pack, then most of the time it'll just work. But there is that slight chance. But anyway, guys, hopefully this video was helpful at getting you any texture packs or any shader packs that you want for your Minecraft. If you do have any questions, make sure you put in the comments and help each other out down there as well, because obviously I can't get to every single person. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.